Hello po, good afternoon. I would like to ask lang po, how much po is the proposed allocations for the confidential and intelligence funds po? And which government agencies will receive them? And has this amount increased po ba compared sa 2026 expenditure program? Thank you.
Patungkol po sa ating confidential and intelligence funds, ang kabuuang confidential and intelligence fund na nakapaloob sa ating 2027 National Expenditure Program ay nagkakahalaga ng 10.773 billion pesos. Kabilang dito ang 4.368 billion na confidential funds at 6.405 billion in intelligence funds. We wish to note that this 10.773 billion pesos in combined confidential and intelligence funds is lower from the 2026 GAA level for confidential and intelligence funds of 11.818 billion or lower by 8.8%. At katulad po noong 2026, kaparehong mga ahensya at departamento po ang makakatanggap ng confidential and intelligence funds at ang pinakamabilis po actually na comparison dito ay yung kanilang respective NEP levels with the exception of PNP na may kaunti pong increase, but definitely ito po ay mas mababa pa rin doon sa existing 2026 level ng ating CIF. At tanging yung mga ahensya na legally authorized na magkaroon ng confidential and intelligence functions ang mayroong confidential and intelligence funds under the 2027 National Expenditure Program. And we wish to reiterate that the use of confidential and intelligence funds remains subject to existing budgeting, utilization, liquidation, and auditing rules to ensure accountability and that the funds are used solely for their intended purposes. Thank you.